8th grade student, as you know, we are doing our chapter number 2nd. So in the previous video we have done exercise number 8 and 9. So on the same concept we will do our exercise number 10. So here is the exercise number 10, where you given this words in different font. You have to cut that words and put COD and COI. So for example, Monsieur Verma Ashrit Sir Buket. So here you have to cut Sir Buket and you have to put COD or COI according to the rules. This Sir Bouquet you have to cut. This is pronoun. We have to add pronoun. So here is the first Monsieur Verma La Ashrit. This la we are using as a pronoun, and we are using this with on the replacement of bouquet, sir bouquet. So we have to cut sir bouquet and put la. It means Mr. Verma by it. It is for sir bouquet. Got it? Now like this we do all the exercise, all the parts: him, at, them, it, her, it, her. These all we have to put in French in the lines. So him is Louis, it is le, them is leur, it is le, her is Louis, it is le, her is Louis. So here I have done this for you. English meaning is also here, so do it in your book. Now we will do the exercise number 6. Complétez avec les adverb de quantity. You have to tell the quantity. Quantity means you have to tell little, small, more than, less than, like this. So here are the meaning of the lines. Mes amis préfèrent un pain de beurre dans le sandwich. Means un pain means little, and it means butter. My friend prefer little butter in the sandwich. Now, j'ai beaucoup de problèmes. Je ne peux pas finir mon devoir. Next is, il y a beaucoup de fruits frais dans l'assiette. There are a lot of fruit fresh in the plate. Now, D part, combien de professeurs assistent au rendez-vous avec le directeur? So, how many teachers take meeting with the director? Les Japonais mangent moins de sel que les Indiens. Means the Japanese eat less salt than the Indians. Elle achète plus de shoes que sa sœur. She purchased more shoes than her sister. G part, combien de gens partent en vacances? How many people go for the weekend? Le matin, je fais tout de exercice. Je vais me. So la matin means morning. I did a lot of. Okay. So this is your exercise number 6. Do it in your book with pencil. Now after the 6th exercise, there is exercise. There is one more exercise number 11, where you have to make the question, and that is not the part of your syllabus. So we will not do the 11th exercise. Let's move on to the exercise number 12. Here you have to respond the questions. Some questions are here and you have to give the answer. So for that you should know the meaning of. So the meaning of, I will tell you the meaning. So first is, pourquoi apprenez-vous le français? Why you are learning French? Combien parlez-vous le français? How do you speak the French? Où faites-vous études? Where you do the study? Quelle fête célébrez-vous? Which festival do you celebrate? Quand et comment celebrez-vous cette festival? When and how you celebrate this festival? Quel monument connaissez-vous en Inde? Which monuments do you know in India? Quelle ville aimez-vous visiter en Inde et en France? Which city you like to visit in India and in France? Aimez-vous la France? Do you like the France? So here are the questions. We will do the answers. And here are the answers for you. J'apprends le français parce que j'aime cette langue. I learned the French because I like this language. Je parle bien le France. I speak good French. Je fais mes études à la école. I do my study at the school. Now, Noel. Noel means Christmas. Je célèbre cette fête le 25 décembre avec ma famille. I celebrate this festival at 25th of December with my family. And j'aime visite à Taj Mahal, Qutub Minar et Fort Rouge. And j'aime visiter Jaipur, Delhi et Agra. Et en France, j'aime visiter Paris, Nice. And the last question, oui, j'aime beaucoup la France. Yes, I love a lot of France. So here are now we will do the 13th exercise. Now this is the 13th exercise. There are some questions related to the France culture. So first is La Fête Nationale de la France et the national festival of the France is celebrated as the 14th of July. Missel et au bord it is a sea. La Effin et the Fête de Roi. The festival of King is celebrated at the 1st December. Le premier dimanche de janvier, the first Sunday of the January. And the D part, le français est la deuxième langue étrangère enseignée après l'anglais. Means the France is the second most learned language after the English. So it is correct. Vrai. Cet homme habite la Paris de Elysée. This person is live in this Paris. In this palace. La France est située dans the France is situated at le sud or the Europe means southeast of the Europe. D second last is La Tour Eiffel is constructed. It is constructed in 1889. La Fête des Mères et the Mother's Day celebrate in the December in the Sunday of May. So they write dernière, but we don't celebrate on the last Sunday. So first is the answer. Cut the dernière means Sunday of May. So student, this is your chapter number 2. We done all the exercise. We have done exercise number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 don't need to do. 12th and 13 we have done, and 14, 15, 16, 17 is not under your syllabus. So your chapter number 2 is completed. Do it. Au revoir. Bye bye. Abhiyan to see you soon.